Welcome to World Immigration News by Irfan. There was a confusion in extension of TRC card because a lot of people were telling that TRC card extended. What is the evidence? Even Portugal government announced, but still we are worried that departments will entertain us in extension or not, because department in the website they clearly told that the all documents including TRC card are extended up to July 2025, and if you possess the TRC card who is going to be expired in this tenure, that will remain valid. You can renew online, there is no problem. You must contact AIMA. AIMA is very slow in renewing card. AIMA is little fast in first TRC card, but if you want to renew, that's another issue. But if you will not renew, your card is valid up to 1 year, no problem. Was that people were telling extension never mean that we will get all facilities in Portugal. Technically, this TRC card which the people, the migrants possess, they are interreacted, they are related with lot of services inside Portugal. For example, a lot of people who are running a Uber drive, they are doing work, delivery jobs they are doing, and they are working with different companies. Their companies cards are related with the TRC card, mean their expiry is stitched with the TRC card. So this is one of the main reason people, migrants, workers who are working in different companies, who are doing delivery jobs, who are working in companies, in online taxi, Uber companies, or any other companies, online companies, their data online is stitched with the TRC card. Now, what were the question of the workers or migrants? Of course, government announced extension of TRC card, no problem. That's fine. We accept that. But will we be able to work in Portugal in those companies, because our TRC card expire, our work will expire, and we will not be able to continue our work. That was $1 billion questions, because it could happen only when AIMA officially sent documents to these departments, companies, online taxi companies, delivery companies, so that online data is to be corrected by AIMA automatically, so their cards which are actually added in those licenses, those are extended automatically. So this was major problem. Now informations are coming, the people who are working in delivery jobs, and their online work was stitched with the TRC card, and that work was related with the validity of TRC card. For example, if any person card is going to be expired on August 2024, after August 2024 he will not be able to take order online, because his card is expired and his license will expire, his work will expire. Online companies, if he's doing online work, similarly is working in any company, the company took their TRC card and their validity is clearly written, and company managers may call that your card is expired, now you don't need to work here because you did not renew the card. So people were thinking why we should take risk of not renewing card. That's good news, which I am giving you now in this clip, that all your data in different companies are updated. Once again, I will tell all the data, all your data of TRC card physically which you possess, that a date is written. For example, August 2024 is written, but you are not submitting this card because you are not renewing your card, but your card is renewed in AIMA papers automatically. This card is renewed in the different departments of Portugal automatically. For example, when you will go to your company and your company manager will open your data, and you will just ask what is the expiry date of my TRC, he will tell July 2025. You will ask my card data is written August 2024, how you can tell this data is different? He will say we don't know, automatically data updated by the AIMA, by the immigration department, because they have each country have centralized system. Therefore, no need to worry for those people who are working online, taxi companies, taxi, lot of people are driving taxi of Uber type companies. A lot of companies are doing delivery jobs are specially related. You can even you are opening your own activity, your license is stitched with the TRC. If the TRC is expired, your license automatically expire, because they had made a system, the person who will renew the card will be able to continue the license. So when you will check your license online, your license will be also updated, because your TRC card only document which is not which will not show July 2025 date, that will be your own TRC card. Remember, this TRC card, when AIMA take and give you new one, so that's fine, because AIMA is not taking this one on papers, in AIMA papers, in company's status, your card has been extended. Why I am telling? Because there is a lot of problem in renewing TRC cards currently going on. First of all, I will not suggest that you must not try for renewal. You must try for renewal. I am not telling that the extension of the card up to July 2025, you must stay at home and you don't renew the card. I am not telling this. I am telling you must renew the card. You must try yourself. Go online and get all information and renew your TRC card. If by any way your card is not coming, you had applied for renewal, or your card is not being renewed, that in that sense I am telling, no need to worry. Your work will continue, your licenses will continue, your company job will continue inside Portugal. In any department you will go, extension date will be written July 2025. There is no any type of problem, and there will be no any type of trouble in having a expired TRC in your hand when you are moving in your company, in your licenses, in your running taxi, in your any type of the work, any type of official work, because this is just like your ID card, identity card. As you require to do any work in any country, identity card, this is just your identity card. When identity card is expired, even police will check, will say your TRC card is expired. Why you did not renew the TRC card? In Portuguese language he will ask. Remember, he will not speak English. This is my English channel, that's why I'm speaking English. So then what will happen? You can tell him, Mr. Police. He will not ask. Police will not ask, because he knew the card has been extended. His department is also being informed. AIMA is police. AIMA checking himself. So AIMA department, all individuals know that card has been extended up to 1 year. But still I will say, you can tell my card is extended up to 1 year. Now question is, sir, if card is extended up to July 2025, and also there is a rush of renewing, and according to my reports, according to your reports, card renewal situation is little bit worse, because first TRC card, AIMA is very busy sending emails and getting biometric of lot of migrants, because they need to finish a backlog of huge number of applications due to closing of article 88, article 89. So sir, why you are telling that we must try for renewal? Why not we try after July 2025? Why we should not waste time in renewing TRC card if card is extended automatically? So why you, sir, you are advising that try to renew also? And I am telling in both angles. Why I am telling, if your card is renewed, you must renew. Reason I tell you, that's fine, extend it up to July 2025. Your work is okay, your everything okay in Portugal, but you will not be able to travel overseas. That's the point. When you will come back from overseas to Portugal, your card date is written expired. The airline will say, yes, it is valid in Portugal documents, not overseas. That's the main problem. Thank you very much.